In this video, let's talk about how to fix WhatsApp cannot record a video. So the first thing that you can try out in this situation is try to make sure that the microphone permission is allowed within WhatsApp. So in order to check this, what you need to do is tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to app permissions, and right here you need to ensure that the microphone is set to allow. Even if it is set to allow, you can first of all tap on deny without at least 10 seconds and then tap on allow again. This helps to reset and refresh so that the permissions is completely allowed and the microphone is working within WhatsApp. Now, if this is not the case for you, the second thing that you also need to ensure is that close out any sort of recorders that you might have enabled. So if your microphone permissions are currently being used by other applications such as Instagram or WhatsApp, this may also be causing this issue. So make sure you remove the other applications from the recent app list, and also make sure that you disconnect the Bluetooth if you are connected to one. Once you try these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is just reinstall the application of WhatsApp onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give it a like. I'm going to see you in the next one.